Hello student, my name is Giraj Vaishnav. I am from Adarshila Vidyapit Adaksar, and today we will learn about the topic Parliament of India. So first we will discuss about the Parliament. What is Parliament? Definition of Parliament, meaning of Parliament. Indian Parliament is the legislative body which aims at formulating laws for the country. It means Parliament is the body which formulate the laws, which formulate the rules for the country, for the people, which makes the laws for the country. It comprises of president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We will understand how the president is the member of the parliament, then we will look for the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. First we will understand about the president. Basically president is the head of the nation. He did not participate in any activity of the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, but he is the member of the both the houses. President is elected by the both the houses of the parliament, Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, and the legislative assembly of the states and two territories, Delhi and Pondicherry. President has the 5 year of tenure. He appoints the prime minister and the council of minister, judges of the Supreme Court and the High Courts. He can dissolve the Lok Sabha and the end session of the parliament. It means the power of the parliament is the dissolving of the Lok Sabha and the ending the session of the parliament. He nominated the 12 members of the Rajya Sabha, 2 members of the Lok Sabha, according to their field, like novelist, like sports person, etc. Only when the president recommend can a money bill can be introduced in the parliament. Suppose Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha want to implement some money bill or pass the any money bill, so first they have to take the permission from the president. President also have an emergency power in the condition of war, in the condition of any natural disasters. Now look about the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Let's understand the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha by comparison each other. Basically both the members have the same salary package. Both the both the members of the houses are have same powers, but little bit difference is there. So first you will understand the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha comparison. First one is Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament, whereas the Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. Lok Sabha is comprises of members which represent people of the country, and the Rajya Sabha which comprises of members that represent the states and union territories. Lok Sabha have a direct election method, whereas Rajya Sabha have the indirect election method. Members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. The method is used for the Lok Sabha is the first past the post system. First past the post system means, let's understand with this by taking example. Suppose party name is A, B, C and D. 4 parties are there. A got the 1 lakh vote, and B got the 2 lakh vote, and C got the 2.5 lakh, and D got the 4 lakh. So directly 4 lakh, the majority of the voters will be the winner party. And in the Rajya Sabha, member of the Rajya Sabha indirectly elected by the members of the state legislative assembly as per proportional legislative system. Then the third difference is temporary. Lok Sabha is temporary body because it is elected for 5 years only, whereas Rajya Sabha has the permanent body. Fourth, 552 members. Maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is 552 members, wherein 530 represent states, 20 represent union territories, 2 represent Anglo-Indian community. Whereas on the other side in the Rajya Sabha, maximum strength of the member is 250 members, from where 238 members represent the state and the union territories, and the other one the 12 members nominated by the president from different fields. So from here we can know that the president have the 12 member nomination power, and the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha is speaker, which is elected among the members of the Lok Sabha. It means the speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha. On the other side, presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha is chairman, which is the who is also the vice president of India. It means when you know that who is the vice president of India, then you can also say that he is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Money bill can be introduced in the Lok Sabha, whereas cannot be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. To become a member of the Rajya Sabha, he has to attain the age of 30 years, whereas minimum age becoming Lok Sabha member is 25 years. Then the next one is that Speaker of the Lok Sabha are preside joint sitting, Chairman of the Rajya Sabha not presiding the joint sitting, and the Lok Sabha members appoint for period of 5 years. That's why no retirement policy is there, and the 1/3 of the retirement every second year is in Rajya Sabha. So that's for my video. Thank you for listening patiently. Have a nice day. Stay home. Be safe.